discussion?
No, today was a meeting called for formation of the third district. First of all, जे third districtच्या निमतेन आमी जेन्ना उलयता, आमी एक मुखेलमंत्रीक सांगले की जो रिपोर्ट 2000 नोव्हेंबर 23 जो तयार जाल्लो आनी हो रिपोर्ट आमकां दिवंक ना. The feasibility of the third district in terms of the financial burden, in terms of whether there is some sort of an imbalance, which are the districts, what is the benefit, what is the financial implication, which budget heads will affect, where is the finance going to come through, what is the benefit, whether the existing system having the North Goa district and South Goa district, what is lacking. हे सगळे सोपाय कमिटीचो रिपोर्ट जाल्लो आणि ती कमिटीचे रिपोर्ट was not given to us. Today the Chief Minister agreed to give it to us today. And he's trying to announce a new district tomorrow. I mean, you can see from what and where this is planning, because 31st is the last day for the census to be announced. If you look at this rushing with such a big decision, having such huge financial constraint on the state of Goa, whether this is going to be, what is the financial burden, implication vis-a-vis आज third district, we are not against the third district. They are identifying certain talukas, certain constituencies. No one is against it. But we have to scientifically jenna ek report ahlo. And report or table report ang diyong na. Ami so just first we asked for the report. Where is the report? Without studying the report that was done especially for this third district, looking at all the parameters. We were shown a PowerPoint presentation, a PPT presentation, all based on the report. So report ang study kunasona inga operation korpacho प्रयत्न केला दोतरान उंगरी मानासतोनाच उंगरी नासतना ओटी गेला आणि ऑपरेशन करपाचो प्रयत्न केला. इसलिए आज ये गवर्नन्स. I believe this is something that the people of Goa are looking at. They have said, they are talking about aspirational district. Now, whether Goa having such a small state, what it is going to benefit? Is it going to benefit the tribal population? Is it going to benefit in terms of administration? Is it going to benefit in terms of lapses, procedural delays? So where is the report? With the report being shelved, you all are doing a report, you all are asking, it has to be put in public domain in the first place. So that without putting the report in public domain, today they are deciding on forming a third district. You can think about gai kidak kela kidak falya last this census 31st apna korpa. So into na hui maga dista hurriedly your decision घेतलेले हा. Long term financial गोयचे रेजो परिणाम कितलो जातलो. आमकां या सरकारान सांगला की डबल इंजिन सरकार आसा पयशे येतले सेंटरांतल्यान 300 कोटी रुपया आमचे सेलिब्रेशन करपाक लिबरेशन डे येतले म्हणून सांगलोले. कितले येयले? 100 150 कोटी येयले. 150 कोटी मागीर खंय गेले? So if you look at all this, overall we are not against forming the third district, but without giving or putting the report in public domain, this is a procedural lapse that this government is doing.
Your constituency mention kelan
Na, they are looking at Kepe, Magir, Savonde, Kurchore, and Savonde. ये 4-5 constituencies they are planning to do. We are not against it. अरे बट कमिटी केल्ली बेनिफिट कितें जातलो, कोणा बेनिफिट जातलो, कित्याक करपाक जाय तें तरी स्टडी करपाक जाय. तो रिपोर्टू दिला आज दिताय म्हणून सांगताय ते रिपोर्ट. म्हणजे डिसिजन घेवन रिपोर्ट आन दिताय.
But I don't think there is a need of third district in Goa.
Whether there is a need or there is no need, there was a committee that was formed. That committee report from November 2020, Assembly पासून मागलोलो रिपोर्ट दिवंक ना. आज पासून दिनाय. कित्याक दिनाय? The report, what does it say? Is it in favor of it or not? That is a big question mark. Why are they hiding this report? What is this report say? Does it talk about Goa's forest cover? This report is based on the 2011 census. From 2011 to now, a lot has changed. A lot has changed from 2011 to now. So we are acting on something that was an old assumption. And today, hurriedly, they are planning to implement.